Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into a business many people are talking about but few really understand, and that's mini importation. We've seen the flashy success stories on TikTok showing people packing products and shipping orders, and the gurus promising six-figure with just a smartphone and a few bucks. But what's the real truth behind it? That's the essence of this video. In this video, I'm going to expose what most people will never tell you about the mini importation business. Not just the glossy parts, but the raw, real, sometimes risky parts that could make or break your decisions to jump in. Stick with me till the end of this video and you'll walk away with a clear, informed answer. Is mini importation truly worth your time and money? I'm Jude Anyanwu and you are on the right channel. The first thing you need as a beginner is understanding the business. So what's mini importation? Mini importation is the business of importing small quantities of goods from countries like China, Turkey, or Dubai and reselling them locally for profit. Most people use platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, 1688, or sometimes go through sourcing agents. The idea is simple: buy cheap, sell high. The word simple doesn't mean easy anyways. Do you know that most people think it's just ordering products and making money? But that's only about 30% of the journey. Meanwhile, let's look at what the business involves. We have product research, sourcing, currency conversion, shipping logistics, customs clearance, marketing and sales, customer delivery, and after sales support. The next phase of this business is the hidden costs and common pitfalls. Let's talk about the hidden costs. A small change in the rate can wipe out your profit margin as a result of exchange rate fluctuation. Shipping charges, especially for weighty items or sensitive goods. If you're not careful, you might pay up to 40% in duties, which is custom duties. What you see online is not always what arrives. Bad quality product per se. Goods sometimes take 4 to 6 weeks, especially with customs backlog, which results to delay in delivery. Remember, marketing costs like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram ads all cost real money. Customer returns would make you bear the loss if a product is faulty or a customer is unhappy. I know someone who imported smartwatches from China. All the watches arrived dead or faulty. He lost nearly $800 and still had to refund some customers. Guess what? That was his first and last experience. So while the entry seems easy, the exit can be painful if you don't know what you're doing. The third phase of this business is the operations. Let's paint a day in the life of mini importer. Morning time is checking supplier communication, order tracking, and customer messages. Afternoon is posting content, running ads, answering inquiries, arranging delivery. Evening is packaging products, confirming payments, resolving complaints. It's a pure hustle. You're dealing with suppliers in different time zones, customers in various moods, and platforms that don't always work as expected. You must be organized. You need tracking spreadsheets, payment confirmations, inventory checks, and a stable delivery partner. You also need business negotiation skills and basic legal understanding. Reason being that if your agent messes up, it's on you. Let's head on to the next phase, which is the secrets no one talks about. Here are some of the things that mini importation coaches will never tell you. They may not tell you that saturation is real. Once a product goes viral, 10,000 people start supplying it and prices crash. Many gurus make money selling courses, not products. I mean, their real income comes from you, not from sales. They may also not tell you that the power is in branding. Not just importing, generic products are hard to sell. So branding is what separates you. Packaging matters, so first impression make a big difference in customer satisfaction. Many people start with too many products instead of mastering 1 to 2 products. They spread themselves thin. The reality is that the people making serious money in mini importation treat it like a business, not a hustle. They have websites, customer support, branded packaging, and systems. Let's proceed to the fifth phase where we answer the question, is it worth doing? Answering this question from a business point of view, mini importation is a low barrier, high competitive venture. It can work, but only if you focus on branding, have good capital discipline, build systems from day one, and understand the market and solve real problems. If you treat it casually, expect casual results. But if you go in with strategy, you can build something scalable. But I have to be honest with you, it's not passive income. It's not buy and relax. It's buy, sell, manage, deliver, resolve, repeat. Is it worth doing? Yes, for the right persons. but it's not for everyone. So, what's my honest opinion? Mini importation is not a scam. It's a real business model, but not as easy as many people paint it. The money is real, but so are the risks. If you're serious about this business, you can start small. Focus on 1 to 2 proven products. Build a brand, not just a product listing. Use trustworthy suppliers and agents. Learn before you leap. Research everything. And the most important of all, don't let hype drive your decision. Let information, strategy, and self-awareness lead you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest business insights, and share your experience or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.